Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, YouTube? Errol here, and you are with High Road Comics. And today I just wanted to clear things up. I am so glad that I have 700 subscribers. I'm very humble, and it was a great time being the comic chief, and I think it's just time to drive a little further into higher roads, I guess, and just it's time for something new. And now you may be thinking, wow, you're rebranding again, but I think this is where I want to be. This is where I want to go. I just want to keep going in our path together, as we learn about comics, as we grow together in the community, and as we make each other stronger. I'm going to take a pit stop here and there. I'm going to go into your chat rooms and your YouTube channels and your live streams, and we're all going to have a great time. It's going to take a little bit of time for me to actually get everyone, to know who I am again, and that's okay. I'm willing to take that path. Going to drive the speed limit. Hey, I might cruise a little bit faster, but I'm hoping for support from the YouTube community. For example, from you, JB. Thank you so much for always promoting my videos and putting my content on your daily content channel. But I do want to clear things up. So recently, about a week and a half ago, I put out a 700 subscriber giveaway contest, and I had found out that there was another comicchief.com, or there was a thecomicchief.com, and there was somebody else that had social media as the Comic Chief and all that. And I should have waited, I guess, but I did a week long for the subscriber deadline, and I actually heard back from the Comic Chief, and he's a really great guy. He hit me up on Facebook and direct message on Instagram, and he's a really great guy. He started off congratulating me for my 700 subscribers, and he looks forward to me going up to 1,000 like ASAP. And he just wanted to clear things up, clear the air. So he did have the website. So when I checked it, it wasn't there, but he did have the website registered since early 2018. Granted, he didn't start the store until February 2019. And so he never told me, hey, you gotta rebrand, you can't be the real Comic Chief. He never said that. But I probably want to end up doing the same thing in the near future. I want to have an e-commerce store, and I want to sell some comics. And I don't want there to be any confusion, any complaints, any confusion, right? So I've always wanted to have a store online, and I think High Road Comics would be great and let me tell you how hard it is to find comic book names that are not taken, right? So I got a buddy on Instagram. His name is El Jefe Comics. You should follow him, hashtag El Jefe Comics, and he helped me find a name, and probably all night, all day today, and I actually settled on High Road Comics because it actually makes a lot of sense to me. So I just wanted to clear the air, okay? So the Comic Chief, thank you for reaching out to me. I wish I got to know you sooner, and I wish you the best of luck with your business. First of all, I do want to say to my current subscribers right now, you need to take the high road. If you were one of the people that were messaging the Comic Chief, not me, the Comic Chief, and leaving remarks and all that, and I never meant for any of that to happen. It was a clear miscommunication, and please don't bash his website. Please don't leave any negative comments on their store. Everything's cool. I'm High Road Comics now, and I love it. I love the name. I wish I thought about it a long time ago, but they did not copy the business name. Obviously, if they were able to claim thecomicchief.com, they got it before I did. If they had at Comic Chief on any social media, you know, there are different variations. That's why we have different usernames and different platforms and different, you know, add a number to the end of your name. Okay, so the reason why they had a lot of posts was because they were using Facebook ads. I don't use Facebook ads, and it's something that I'm going to be doing now, so thanks for teaching me that, the Comic Chief. And as far as the phone number thing, I looked into it, I researched it, and Facebook, they mask actual business phone numbers to protect them for privacy and all that. So I just want to make sure that there's no customer confusion and that everything is cool, fine, and dandy. I am in no way, shape, or form sponsored by the Comic Chief, or I'm, you know, it's not my business. But I do wish him the best of luck. So, you know, if you haven't seen his website yet, please check out thecomicchief.com. But until then, please help me spread the word that I am here, High Road Comics, and I am Errol. If you take a look at my, let's take a look at it right now together. Let's go to highroadcomics.com. And if you take a look at my banner on my YouTube channel, you will see that I went back to
Whosoever watches this channel,
utilizing Aerodynamics Entertainment, proudly presents, and I went with the High Road Comics. I love it. It's simple. It's clean. Let's take a road. Let's take this trip together, you know, and let's explore. That's what this is all about. So please like, share, and subscribe. Help me build new content. You know, if you have any suggestions for the show, or if you want to hang out on Google Hangouts one day, you know, that's something I am willing to try. I'm willing to check it out. So yeah, that's all I got. I will be uploading this video tonight, or late tonight. Probably this will be my Wednesday video. I'm gonna send this over to JB, and later on today I'm gonna release my weekly content. Alright, so that's all I got. This is Errol, and I'm gonna continue down this path, and I'm gonna come up with a new cool sign-off thing. But let's take the high road together. Catch you later.